Kajialang Kanhon Menteri Kesorkar MDA2 haka khatsan terik urisau araja arpusan kalau menjur ban Thungkam Pura no ya Palat Shihajar Ngut kinos kibala Thungkum ki Adhoc Shwa ubnai Nohprah arajar nyo. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadin kajialang Menteri Rangba ukonrat kisang ma ula pentip bala menjur ban Thungkam Pura ya kinos hapo ka Meghalaya nursing service appointment kum ki staff nurse but auxiliary nurse but midwife. Ula pentip baka sorkar haus nam arja arpuar kala Thungkam Pura Palat ya hajar ngot kinong tray basu Thung Adhoc Shwa ubnai Nohprah arajar nyo kabala pensyong nongrim kat kum ka hukum jong ka yeng kasari Supreme Court.
The regularization of the cadre under the Meghalaya nursing service appointment to the post of staff nurse and an auxiliary nurse and midwife. As you're aware that in 2022, if I'm not wrong, we had taken a decision to regularize employees who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post, which means that it was a sanctioned post, but the proper process of regularization, the proper process of recruitment was not conducted, and hence they were on ad hoc basis. And based on a Supreme Court ruling, we had gone ahead and regularized those who were appointed to such sanctioned post on an ad hoc basis pre-2008, which means 2007 December. And based on that, close to about 3,000 employees were regularized who were appointed on an ad hoc basis, were regularized about a couple of years back. And later on again, a list of more people who were eligible and falling in that category were again brought to the cabinet, and we regularized those also. Similarly, today, the health department had brought a list of close to 1,000 nurses who are also in that same category, who have been appointed before December 2007 and was against a sanctioned post but done on an ad hoc manner. So hence, following the same yardstick and the same rules that were applicable to all the other employees appointed in that manner, the cabinet today has decided that we will regularize those who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanctioned post before December 2007. The next decision was the amendment to the Meghalaya Health Service rules. There were some nomenclature adjustments that had to be made. It was a very minor adjustment or a minor amendment, and that was cleared by the cabinet, which is the Meghalaya Health Service Academic Rules 2025.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.